Hello friends, this is Manjunath. In this video I'm going to talk about the important questions and topics that might come in exam which are asked many times. So during exam time you can't go through all the 9 subject, all the study materials, so it's difficult for you to study because some of the Ignou students are already working somewhere, uh, so it's difficult. So this video help you to score better. The important many important questions are repeated many times, so let's start. So first, unit 1. In unit 1, the modern society and its characteristics will be asked for 5 marks, and the role of libraries in the society may be for 5 marks. So next, the information society. You should know the definition, the evolution of the information society, the factors that determines the arrival of information society, and the different perception of the information society, maybe for 10 marks or 5 marks. So next, the knowledge society. You should know the definition, the characteristics, and the knowledge based society, its characteristics you should know. To cover these topics in unit 1. Next, unit 2, the types of libraries. So here the national, academics, public, special and digital, virtual, hybrid libraries are uh, its characteristics and the services are there. So any one of the above or any two will be asked is functions, services. So read this topic. In Unit 3, Information Institutions, its characteristics, functions, and the services are important. So, next, the growth patterns of information institutions will be asked for 5 marks. Next, the type of information institutions. So, there are 5 to 6 information institutions are there. So, read them, any one will be asked, or any two will be asked. So role of information institution in knowledge based economy, maybe for the 5 marks will be asked, so cover it. Next, unit 4 is very important, 5 laws of library science and its implications are important. So in exam might ask the state 5 laws of library science and any one of the law implication. Okay, maybe fourth or first one. Next, the interpretations of the 5 laws on software or web related topic. So this topic is this unit is important, cover it. In unit 5, state policy of library and information services and the need of library legislation. One question will be on this unit, so read it. And the components of library legislation is very important, so cover it. In unit 6, there are many Indian states library legislation acts. Read only the first 4 public library acts, that is Madras, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Maharashtra. So other states public library acts are not so important, so cover it. So next, unit 7, the Right to Information Act and the Copyright Act are most important. So in these features and the utility in libraries of these 2 acts are important. Maybe 10 marks or 5 marks question will be from this topic. Okay, cover it. And also cover the intellectual property rights and patent act, that also important, read it. Next, the copyright infringement and the activity that does not constitute the infringement of the copyright. So this will be fine for 5 marks. Read it. So next, unit 8, resource sharing. There will be definitely one question, maybe need, objectives, and so maybe for 5 marks. Okay. In unit 9, library and information networks, its objectives, characteristics, activities and services, and the types of library and information networks are important. Maybe one question will be asked. Okay. Next, unit 10. So here the important library and information networks are given, so national and international. So read only the that I mentioned here, information library network, Delhi or developing library network, Calcutta library network, so on. So don't read any other network systems. So okay, so read only these few. Is services, activities. Some objectives and the services activities are same for all, so it's easy to remember, don't worry. So next, the OCLC is also important, that also you must read. In unit 11, the profession, occupation, vocation differences you must know, so maybe ask for 5 marks. The next, LIS as a profession, as not as a profession, maybe for 5 marks. Next, evolution of LIS profession, transformation of LIS profession. So there will be 5 marks on this unit, so read it. Next, unit 12, I don't feel more important on unit 12, so if you have time, read it, otherwise skip it. So next, unit 13, here some topics are given on the associations, library of associations. So objectives, activities, services, for some most of the associations are same, only 3-4 points are different. So Indian Library of Association, Indian Association of Special Library and Information Centers, these two important. And next, the International Federation of Library Association, this is also important, these three. Okay, cover it. So last, unit 14, here many organizations are given for development of the libraries in India. So only I mention here the few are important for exam: UNESCO, UGC, Sohan. So read only these organizations, objectives, services and activities. Some of the objectives and activities are same, and services also same, easy to remember, don't worry. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy the video. Subscribe my channel, so I will update more topics and the important questions on other subject also. So thank you.